Yeah, YouTubers, we're out here smoking some baby back ribs in the Northeast, aka New Jersey. Flakes are coming down like as big as pancakes. Smoking some baby back ribs here today in this beautiful weather we're having here on my char griller. Take a look at them. Here they are. Looking pretty tasty over there, huh? Got some Montreal seasoning on those bad boys, along with some honey on the other one. Looking for a cook time about 1 o'clock. Should be pretty tasty. No work today due to snow. It's coming down like a son of a bitch. Got the charcoal going over there. Started out with some pecan wood. And we'll check on them later.